Most businesses start out using personal numbers. At first, it seems harmless. The team is small, the calls are manageable, and it just works. But as your business grows, these personal numbers turn into a serious bottleneck. Now you've got a large team, and you can't possibly afford to hand out SIM cards and mobile phones to everyone, especially if you have a remote team. Because when you send out a SIM card and the employee leaves after some time, you will have to go through the trouble of getting that SIM card back so that no data is lost. Plus, personal numbers are unprofessional. Customers keep seeing random numbers every time your team calls them. And if one rep is on leave and a prospect calls their number, who picks up? Worst of all, you have zero tracking. Did the rep even call? Did the lead receive the call? Where did the conversation stop last time? This is why big brands like Amazon, Myntra and Byju's use cloud telephony. With cloud telephony, your business gets a centralized virtual number. So there is no need of SIM cards or personal numbers or even phones. Your team can make and receive calls directly from their laptop with one official number that represents your business. Here's how it works. When someone calls your central number, they get simple menus. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support, and 3 for order updates. And if agent A is busy, the call is auto-forwarded to agent B. And if the same prospect calls back later, they'll be directly routed to agent B again. So conversations stay consistent and professional. Making outbound calls is even simpler. Just click call and the call is made directly from your laptop. But here's where it gets even better. With telecrm's cloud telephony integration, every call is tracked. When the call was made, who received the call, what conversation did they have the last time they called the lead, and a lot more. So managers get complete clarity, reps stay accountable, and customers get a smooth professional experience every time. So what are you waiting for? Switch to telecrm today to streamline your calling process.